Om Shanti. Today, 21st of October 2021. Today is Thursday. On this day, Bhog is offered to Shiv Baba. Let us listen to today's Murli highlights. In today's Murli, Baba is starting Murli with the point of so much happiness and intoxication that you children are so fortunate because the Father, the God to whom the whole world is calling out, is teaching you and talk to you. Baba says human beings don't know any of these things. God, the Father, is speaking. Apart from you children, no human beings know that it is the incorporeal God who is speaking. Because he is incorporeal, it does not enter anyone's intellect how God can speak. Baba says, because of not knowing this, they have put Krishna's name in the Gita. He is now speaking personally to you children. Baba says, go and give the Father's introduction everywhere. Continue to do this spiritual service. That the Father comes and only speaks knowledge to you. He explains to you the secrets of the beginning, the middle and end of the world. The secrets of the incorporeal world, the subtle region and the corporeal world. Baba says he is the ocean of knowledge, the living being and also the ocean of love. Love does not take place through inspiration. He enters this one and gives you children love. Now Baba is talking about the Brahma Baba, that he enters his body. And this is why you say you go into the lap of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Baba, I eat with you. I listen to you. Your intellects go to him. Baba says, you children know that Shiv Baba enters this one and speaks. Brahma also has to speak because he is adopted. Baba says, you can explain this to anyone. We are the children of the greatest Father of all. We are following the directions of the greatest Sadguru. You have to follow the directions of the teacher and Guru. They call them followers. Here you have to follow the Father's direction, the teacher's direction, and also the Guru's direction. You know that he is your Father, teacher, and Sadguru. Baba says to speak about anything other than this knowledge is to destroy everything completely. Don't speak about anything else. You waste a lot of your time in that. So and so is like this. He does this. This is known as evil. It is a different matter for the world. Baba says every second of your time is very valuable. You have to do your work etc. for the livelihood of your bodies. Together with that, you also have to do this spiritual service. You know that this Bharat truly was a heaven. Baba says, you study a very important education. You know that it is the highest on high study, which the highest on high teacher is teaching you. So you should have so much enthusiasm and happiness. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be a doubly non-violent and constantly experience happiness and peace by remaining stable in your Sattva Pradhan stage. I repeat, may you be a doubly non-violent and constantly experience happiness and peace by remaining stable in your Sattva Pradhan stage. Constantly remain stable with your Sattva Pradhan sanskars and experience peace and happiness. This is true non-violence. Violence means anything through which you experience sorrow and peacelessness. So check. Throughout the day, do I commit any type of violence? If you make someone's stage fluctuate with your words, that too is a violence. If you are suppressing your Sattva Pradhan sanskars and putting other sanskar in a practical form, that is also a violence. Therefore, become refined and have the awareness of being a great soul and a doubly non-violent. The slogan of today's Murli is that as soon as a falsehood becomes mixed with the truth, your happiness disappears. The essence for dharana is that don't waste your time in listening to or speaking about things that are of no use to you. As much as possible, pay full attention to study. Constantly maintain zeal and enthusiasm about who is teaching you. Never stop making effort. Only let jewels of knowledge emerge through your lips. Om Shanti.